What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm out here going to help out a buddy of mine. Just got back from Jeep Beach last night, and a buddy of mine hit me up asking if I was home yet, because he's out here at the beach and he is stuck. He has a full-size a Chevy 1500, and he is stuck down to his frame rails. And now we got some idiots taking pictures of their bikes across the road, making everybody slam on their brakes. But yeah, so he hit me up, and I'm heading on out there to go take a look at how bad he's stuck, and we're gonna go get him out. So y'all stick with me. I'm about to be over where he's at the beach. And from what he was saying, I guess a bunch of people drove by, and none of them had recovery gear with them. So it was only about a 30-minute drive for me to get out here. So I figured I was doing nothing better but just sitting at home. So here we go. Let's go get him out. We're getting over here to the bridge that's right across from where he's at. See if we can see him as I come over. This is one of my favorite beaches to come to, so it's even funnier that that he's out here stuck. So it just gave me an excuse to come out here. Might not be able to see him because of the how the bridge is here, but we're gonna try. With this beach over here, it always has some super soft sand. So if you come out here and you don't have decent tires for sand or any of that stuff, you are very likely to get stuck. But yeah, he's stuck at the entrance over there. It's not the one right there that you can see. There he is. All right, let's go get him out. Yep, he is down to the axle, it looks like. So we're gonna go up here and take a good look at it. He's not happy that I'm recording this. He's just flipping me off. That ain't nice. All right, let's go up here and get a good assessment.
Give it to the Chevy boys.
What happened, buddy?
Feels like my four-wheel drive ain't engaging, bro.
No? Well, you said you had an issue with it the other day too, right?
It got stuck inside of the beach.
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm recording the whole way. All right. Down to the side steps there. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and get set up and get him pulled out of here. All right, so got them all hooked up. Should take just a small little bump. I don't think it's gonna take anything too heavy, but we're gonna get him out of here. Hey, I'm gonna start pulling it tight just a little bit. I'm not gonna hit it hard off the rip. I'm gonna try to just give it a small bump. Yeah, just have it in reverse. Don't floor it or anything. Just keep the wheels straight. If that doesn't work, I'll bump you a little bit harder, but it shouldn't only take but just a small little bump. All right, y'all, here we go. All right, it's gonna take just a little bit more. There we go. I accidentally hit the stop record button, but I had to hit it just a little bit harder and bump him a little bit harder, and got got them out. So I'm gonna get back here, get them disconnected and stuff, and then we'll be on our merry way. All right, we got them all disconnected, but that's why we have Jeeps instead of trucks on street tires to go to the beaches. It's not impossible, but it takes a lot more effort, especially with these that sit lower, because that ground clearance isn't very good. And that entrance over there is only a small bit of how deep the sand is out here at this beach. But as always, Bad Influence does what he does and got him out of there. How do you feel?
Got pulled out by a Jeep. How do you expect?
All right, y'all. Got him all taken care of. He's gonna get on out of here. I'm gonna head on back home. See you later, buddy.
See you later, buddy.
I've been in the sun long enough this weekend. As y'all saw from the post or my video I uploaded today from Jeep Beach, I definitely have been in the sun enough for this last weekend. So I'm out of here. I'm gonna head on back to the home and finish unloading the Jeep, cleaning up everything, and just kind of recover a little bit more from the awesomeness of Jeep Beach. So I appreciate y'all sticking around. If y'all watched this, it wasn't a crazy video. I just figured it'd be funny to bring y'all along and give him a little bit of extra crap about getting stuck out there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And until next time, Bad Influence out.